Let's start 12th NCERT Accountancy Unit number first, Accounting for Non-Profit Organization. These units is 10 marks number units. Every students are getting to 10 marks in this unit. Firstly, the means organizations are divided into two parts: profit organization and non-profit organization. Profit organizations means there are many organizations are established to earn to profit, but not provide to render services without any profit. Is called profit organization. I am not deeply explanation provide to profit organization because it is topic out of unit. So come to the point. Non-profit organization. Non-profit organization is this unit's topic. So start explanation. What is the non-profit organization? There are many organizations are established to not earn to profit but provide to its member services and facilities. Is called non-profit organizations. Non-profit organizations are mostly open three types of accounts. Firstly, receipt and payment account. Second, income and expenditures account. And third, balance sheet. So some specific features of the receipt and payment account. What is the receipt and payment account? So receipt and payment account is the summary of cash book because it is a real nature. All the receipts are recorded in the debit side and all the payments are recorded in the credit side of the receipt and payment account. Mostly receipt and payment account are prepared to finding to closing cash balance in the accounting year. All type adjustment are not recorded the receipt and payments account. It is some features. Next, income and expenditures account. Income and expenditures account is the nominal account. Summary of summary of receipt and payment account. Because the income and expenditures account prepared with the help of receipt and payment account. All the expenditures are recorded in the debit side in the income and expenditures account. All the incomes are recorded in the credit side of the income and expenditures account. The manually prepared the income and expenditures account are finding to surplus or deficit. And all type of adjustment are recorded in the income and expenditures account. Is that clear? So it is a specific characteristics of income and expenditures account. Then third accounts are open balance sheet. Balance sheet is know the financial position on that accounting year. In the particular year financial situation of the firm are knowing made to balance sheet. Is that clear? Next explanation and next video. Thank you very much.